Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on LinkedIn that many users overlook: searching for messages in your spam folder. This updated guide will walk you through the steps to efficiently find those hidden messages. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your connections and messages. Next, look for the messaging icon located at the top corner of your screen. This icon typically resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Tap on it to access your messaging inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Once you're in the messaging section, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can type in keywords or names related to the messages you're looking for. For instance, if you remember a specific term from a conversation or the name of the person who messaged you, enter that information here. Now, here's where it gets specific. After entering your search term, you'll see options to filter your results. Select Spam from the drop-down menu that appears. This will narrow down your search to only those messages that have been categorized as spam. By following these steps, opening the app, clicking on the messaging icon, using the search bar, and filtering for spam, you can easily sift through unwanted messages and potentially uncover important conversations that may have been mistakenly filtered out. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful networking tool, and staying organized with your messages can help you make the most of your connections. So next time you're looking for something specific in your LinkedIn messages, don't forget these simple steps to access your spam folder effectively. Thanks for tuning in. Happy networking.